Maine Realtor Andy Moores. We are going to a beautiful ranch. It's got the handicapped ramp, attached garage, a neighborhood where nothing's for sale. Everybody takes very good care of their property. So, are you looking for something that's in a quiet neighborhood that's been maintained with 3 bedrooms, bath and a half? This has got a quick occupancy too, so stay tuned. We are taking the right-hand corner by the Elm Tree Diner. This is Hogan Street. We're going to go one street over to Columbia Street. Hang on. South Street, straight ahead, hits the Holton Elementary Southside School. So you're only a couple blocks from school. If you have some school-age kids, this would be a good retirement home, a home for not just starting out, for anybody. That unless you have an awful lot of kids, 3 bedrooms won't do it. It's got a finished basement. But see the nice houses on both sides of the road? This is a nice neighborhood. There is pride of ownership. What number are we looking for? Well, we're on the left side. Here comes 48. Kind of a light sage tight green, and you're on a corner lot. We're on the corner of Columbia and Mar Avenue. Vinyl sided. It's about 40 feet long by 29 feet wide. Plus you got the garage. Everybody can use a handicap access ramp, especially the guy bringing in appliances. Your delivery guys. It serves as like a front deck too. Beautiful pine tree, lilacs, you got a white birch, have a little storage shed, but there is that attached double garage. Plus there's a privacy hedge. See how big this lot is? And it's a corner lot too. Very private. See how large? This is ideal for lawn games, for gardening. How would you use this great big lot? Lawnmowers, rakes, tools go in there so your cars can go in the garage. Too many people fill their garage with anything but cars. No room. Not in this house. The back of your garage has a single passageway too. Plus there's a back door. There's a water hose for your garden. Ready to go in? Let's check out 48 Columbia Street Extension. Here's your street scene on Columbia. On Mar Avenue. I told you, it's a deck. It's all pressure treated. Nice. What can I tell you about this ranch? This is ceramic backsplash. You've got black stove and refrigerator. These are birch cabinets, built really solid. Everything is right around you. Then you come out into the dining area. Is that what you're looking for? Pretty easy layout. It also opens with a cutout into the living room. This is from another angle. See the nice vinyl floors? Hardwood floors. Well-maintained ones throughout the home. In your living room, entertainment center, bookcases. 4 cabinet doors below that. See the oil hot water baseboard? A lot cleaner. A lot quieter. It's a Weil McLean boiler. It's a beautiful open living concept. An opening could be made into a bar, but it's bigger than a pass-through, plus you have an archway. Let's go down and look at those 3 bedrooms. See the levers, the 6-panel pine doors, and again more beautiful hardwood flooring, bedroom 1. Main ranch home for sale. This one has a quick occupancy. This one's vinyl sided, new vinyl windows. 48 Columbia in Holton, Maine is on a corner lot, a big one. Bedroom number 1 with a closet, Bedroom 2 with a closet. See the vinyl tilt-in insulated windows? It's had the updates, but it was better built. There's a lot more wood in this one than a new modular. This is stick built. Okay, that's bedroom 1, bedroom 2, the bouncing ping pong ball to bedroom 3. Hey, 45 RPM records. They're just finishing up, cleaning things out. This one has a quick occupancy. Again, a 6-panel pine door and levers, not doorknobs. Nice. Got the idea? All painted walls. Pick your favorite color. Now's the time to paint before you move in. Down the hall, closer to the living room, dining area, kitchen, your bathroom with a one-piece tub shower unit. I like the rod that pulls out into the room. The shower curtain doesn't attack you. And this is clever. Yes, there's a window in the bathroom in between 2 mirrors, 2 sinks below, double vanity. Handicap friendly. We all need that, don't we? Or we're gonna. Beautiful little vanity cabinet too. For a lot of folks, that's all you need. This isn't all she wrote. Your hall closet. Coming across the dining area, look what's down in the basement. I know the ground level's about 1,040 square feet, but they're not figuring in the extra space down here. This is the biggest room in the house, and you don't feel like you're in a basement. Nice. What would you call this room? Exercise room? Media room? Has hookup for speakers for the surround sound. See the white in the corners? Someone took the time to wire it. You could have a pellet stove, gas log, fireplace right there. How big is this room? I paced off 30 feet. And there's a couple little jogs, but it's 17 feet wide. That's a good sized room. I can see having Christmas present opening down here. Like to putter? Here's where you do it. Great little backboard there to hang your tools on. You can have your own little home hardware. Always impressed when you see those Gerber baby jars with all kinds of nails, nuts, bolts. This family had some master carpenters. That's why you have workbenches, built-in shelving. And a precision owner. See where it says winter wood? Tells you how far to stack it if you have to burn wood because the price of oil goes up. This house would be ideal for a heat pump. Why do I say that? Because of Holton Water Company. Really cheap utility. Here's the lumber yard. It's good to have a board to build something. And see how the ceilings are all finished. Just like the walls. It does not feel like a basement. So what do you think? I love this home. This is actually a nice bonus. Your kids, the neighborhood kids, are playing Fortnite down here. Pretty innocent stuff. You're watching Wheel of Fortune or Bob Barker upstairs. The wall is just begging for a big screen, surround sound, a home theater. Do you have one already? Utility room. Boy, that's an awful shiny fuel tank. Looks brandy new. Here's your washer and dryer that's staying the sale, and a half bath comes in handy for nature cold. Electric water heater, line chimney, Wild McLean Gold. See all the new electrical? That's why there's so many outlets in here. And how they used a nice utility brad. They didn't just nail it into the floor stringer. And yeah, those are wood floors with hardwood floors on top. They don't build them like that now. Heck, you don't even get real hardwood floors. You get hardwood laminate. One layer that you can't sand down. That door on the left to the basement. Here's your double garage with an opener and cement floor. See the real boards again up in the rafters? Well built, and there's a single passageway out the back. You don't have to put the automatic door up. Again, look at the little bins. Look at the vise. You've got a little workbench. This is great when you got to put a new chain on your kid's bike, or it's time to take off the training wheels. This is a safe neighborhood. You can ride without any traffic on these streets, plus go up to Southside, Holton Elementary parking lot when school's not in. Nice playground all to yourself. And they have the Field of Dreams. They'll probably leave a little bit of furniture for you. This is a practical home for any buyer. Economical, well-maintained, already vinyl sided, already has a garage, hot water heat with a modern furnace, move-in ready, hardwood floors, lots of built-ins, closets, and that downstairs is like a whole nother region that your kids will hug you for. You need some space. They do too as they get older. Holton's a friendly place to raise your family. If you're looking to move the whole family to Holton, Maine, you couldn't find a better town. The whole village helps raise your kid. Or if you're thinking of retirement, there's a modern hospital, beautiful library, 12 churches, and rec trails. Don't forget the lakes, golf courses. If you're a four-wheeler, a snow sledder, just go slow and you can hit the trail right from your house. We'll see you next time on the Maine Real Estate Channel. Thanks an awful lot for watching. You know the drill. Like the video, make a comment, hopefully positive, don't be snarky, and look down below to see the link to banks, more information about this house, how to get hold of us, what's the price.